Shipping tape. I am back with a video, and for today's video I'm going to do an update on the hairdryer, the SHEIN hairdryer. Really good. It's really good. The only problem that I have with it is lifeline. I've only gotten 1.5 uses out of this. Yeah, dryers need to have life. Everything else is good. The attachment never came off, as you can see in some of my previous videos. So I never got to use the diffuser, this nozzle, but it's really good. It's intact, it's lightweight, the size is nice. The heat, I love how the heat comes out of this dryer compared to other dryers that I've used. It just feels like a different level of heat, but it's really good. The only problem with it is the lifeline, and I would just recommend doing longer teeths. But other than that, it's pretty good. As you can see, like, I don't even, like, taking off the attachment, you really gotta do it with some sort of force. Let me try it one more time before I toss it. Yeah, so it's completely dead, but it's really good. If they could up the lifeline quality while keeping the heat quality. I used it on the very low, I think I used it on the first or the second setting, I'm not sure. Back in the previous video I had stated, but it's really good. Typically I have to use the dryers on their highest setting. This gets pretty hot, but it's really nice. So that is the update on this dryer. Your girl's about to toss it. Bye.